Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is Tuesday, the 13th of January. So we're gonna start off with the euro against the US dollar. Right, what we have here is that price has finally touches the top of the minor falling trend channel over here, and therefore zooming into the 1 hourly chart, we do see that there is a magic reversal candle followed by confirmation, and therefore this gave a valid a setup to go for the short opportunity. If we were to short over here, I would suggest that the stop loss is calculated from the resistance level of 1.1869 plus about 20 pips, including the spread. That will give you somewhere at the price of 1.1892 as a stop loss. Alright, and followed by the first take profit level will be at the previous low price of 1.1759, followed by looking at all the way to the bottom is 1.1579, bottom of the falling trend channel, as well as final exhaustion level of 161.8%. Alright, however, if price were to break above this resistance level, then the next level we're going to look for well, based on the Fibonacci retracement, right, at the retracement level of 23.6%, followed by the bottom of the previous falling trend channel, and subsequently the retracement level of 30.2%. Alright, so that's for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. As you know, price has gotten resisted at the top of the falling trend channel based on the 4-hourly chart, and price came down all the way. We do see a little bit of retracement over here, and got resisted at the resistance level of 0.7790. So zooming in the 1-hourly chart, we do see that there is a pullback as it touches the resistance level, which forms a reversal candle followed by a confirmation. Stochastic has suggested overbought as well, therefore it gave a opportunity to go for the shorts. Alright, and since that we know the price has already touched the top and it is coming down, then this could be a valid setup to go for the short opportunity. Of course, the first level is at the support level of 0.7695, followed by the previous low at 0.7608, as well. And of course, it is the Fibonacci expansion level of 161.8%, and going lower will be at the bottom of the trend of the falling trend channel, and of course followed by the next exhaustion level, the price of 0.7504. So that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. We are seeing that price has came down, broke below the falling trend channel based on the 4-hourly chart, and got supported at the final exhaustion level at price of 1.5057. However, we see a very strong support, and it begins to rebound and fall back into the falling trend channel itself. And right now we are seeing that price has gotten supported again over here at the same resistance level of 1.5187. Let me just plot a line over here, right? So zooming into 1-hourly chart, we do see that it is being resisted. We are expecting price to come down a little bit further. However, later on at 5:30 p.m., the CPI, consumers price index, at 5:30 p.m. later on, plus 8 GMT, of course, and we are currently waiting for price to come down further a little bit. If CPI were to be better than forecast, that might help the pound to appreciate a lot. As we do know that the US dollar fell last Friday after non-farm payroll, mainly due to the average hourly earnings that actually fell, and therefore it dampens the bets for the Federal Reserve to have a earlier interest rate hike. So therefore, if pound at this point of time CPI is positive, it might help to appreciate pound a lot more further. All right, closing up the gap for the race to increase interest rate between the Bank of England and the Federal Reserve. All right, so next we have the Australian dollar against the US dollar. As you can see, price has fallen back into the previous falling trend channel. And right now we are seeing that it got resisted at 200 moving average, came down, got supported again at the bottom of the previous falling trend channel. So zooming in the 1 hourly chart, however, we do see that there's a reversal over here. Price is coming down. First level we're going to take note of is back at the bottom of the previous falling trend channel, or probably at the support level of 0.8132 to see if we can still go for a long opportunity if the setup or if we see price support over here. However, a break below will means that price can go all the way back to the support level of 0.8031, which is also the previous low. Alright, and of course, if price were to be able to support it back at the bottom of the falling trend channel, we are expecting price the first level to be at previous high over here, or rather the 200 moving average is at the first resistance level, and all the way followed by the retracement level of 0.2%. Yep, that's pretty much about it. And of course, if price came down and with a break below the previous low at 0.8031, the next level we're looking at is 0.7929. Fibonacci expansion level of 141.4%. Right. So next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. Price has came down and got supported at support level 117.71. I have a symmetrical triangle has been replotted ever since it broke below, so we're going to place it here. Right now we are seeing the price is appreciating. Alright, there's a reversal candle confirmation is formed, just that it's pretty huge. So if you were to long at this point of time, first resistance level have to take note is at 118.84, and therefore followed by the top of the symmetrical triangle. If it breaks above, the next resistance level will be at 120.79. Alright, that's pretty much for the dollar against the Japanese yen. And next we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. So there is a rising trend line over here. We do see that price is has almost broken below, but eventually got supported, and we're seeing price is about to appreciate. Zooming the 1 hourly chart. So there's magic reverse candle followed by confirmation. Therefore, it gives a valid setup to go for long for this trade itself. First level we're going to look at is at the resistance level of 1.0212, followed by the final exhaustion level at 1.0302. And if price were to break below the very immediate support level, will be over here at 1.0115, and breaking below, we shall take a look at the retracement level of 30.2%, price of 1.0010. Alright, and of course at this point of time, stochastic has suggested overbought, oversold. Therefore, it gave additional supports to go for a long at this point of time. Alright, finally, I would just like to touch on a few other currency pair. For euro against Australian dollar, we do note that there is a falling trend channel in the 4-hourly chart. And zooming in the 1 hourly chart itself, we do see the price has gotten supported. Confirmation is formed. It went all the way up. And right now we are waiting for price to touch the top of the falling trend channel once again, and to wait for the short opportunity at that point of time. Alright. So pretty straightforward. Euro against the Australian dollar. Next with the Aussie against the yen. We do see the price has came down, but eventually it got pulled back and it starts to appreciate. We are waiting for price to go back all the way back to the top at the resistance level of 97.60, and hopefully it can reach this level at the top of the falling trend channel over here, and therefore we can look for a short opportunity again. Alright, of course, based on the weekly chart, we are still waiting for price to fall all the way back to the bottom of the falling trend of the rising trend channel in the weekly chart. Since price has already touched the top, we're waiting for price to touch the bottom again. Alright, and finally we have the pound against the Japanese yen. We do know that there is a falling trend channel in the 4-hourly chart. Price came down, touches the bottom, went up, touches top, came down and slightly broke below, and however we are still seeing price being supported at the support level of 179 point. Let me start it lower, 179 flat, 179 flats itself, and we do see that price might appreciate a little bit further. So if price were to appreciate from here, um, there is a possibility the price may appreciate all the way up and back to the top of the falling trend channel. However, the very immediate resistance level would be at the price of 180.88. Right, but if price were to break lower, the key level we're looking at, based on the day one charts, is at the retracement level of 61.8%, price of 176.28, which is also the final exhaustion level for the retracement itself. Right, so that's for the pound against the Japanese yen, and with that I have come to the end of my trading analysis video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again.